The smell, I don't know if I really like the smell yet of it. Alright, y'all, so I've done one side of my face and this is what it looks like. Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is the video on me reviewing the Clarins Miracle Cleansing Water. It's supposed to remove all makeup and stuff like that. So if you want your skin looking healthy, stay tuned for this video. Okay, so this was gifted to me by Clarins. This is their Miracle Cleansing Water. It's supposed to remove like makeup or anything that you have on your face. I'm gonna read the back. It says, a miracle cleansing water that gives skin a fresh start in no time. The soothing recipe gently cleans and removes makeup without drying the skin. It says to help remove trace of pollution, to soothe and soften skin. Soak a cotton ball or a cotton pad with miracle cleansing water and gently wipe over the face, eyes, lips in the morning or evening. No need to rinse. So it says that you don't need to rinse your face off, which I've never had a cleansing product that is like that. So let's go over the packaging. This is the packaging that it comes in. It's a really cute packaging. That's crazy. This is the bottle. This retails in stores for $20, which is not bad to say. It's a 6.7 ounce. It has like a good amount in there. You probably shouldn't need a lot. I don't know. This is going to be my first time using it. You probably shouldn't need a lot, so it should last long. So $20 for it is not bad. This is a vegan product, which is another good thing for my people who like vegan items. The benefits from this is cleanse face, eyes, and lips in one quick step. Gently dissolve makeup, all impurities, soothes and softens skin. Refreshing plant-based formula. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I don't have any cotton balls, but I have a few cotton pads that I had a while ago. So I'm gonna take off my lashes. Whew. Yeah. And I just have my hair up right now just because I don't want my lace to get like whatever it is. So this is what the top looks like. Alright, so I put a lot on there. Probably don't need that much. And I'm going to begin to wipe my face. So let's see how that goes. All right, y'all, so I've done one side of my face and this is what it looks like. It hasn't dried my face out, which is a good thing. I do like that about it. It's not really getting all my mascara off, but it doesn't leave like that tacky feeling. So I guess that's a great thing. That's really what I was hoping for, to not have a tacky feeling on my face. This is one side done, and then I have to do the other side. It don't look bad. It really kind of works really good. All right, so this is my face, freshly clean with it. It does not leave my face with any like tacky feeling, which is a good thing. The smell, I don't know if I really like the smell yet of it. It gives me, it kind of smells like, I don't know. It's a very fresh smell. I probably would just use this and be okay with the not like actually washing my face with soap suds, because it actually does have my face looking like a real fresh face. So I don't know. I'm definitely going to try it out again on camera just to make sure, like, to give you guys an update on like, is my face breaking out on it? Can it handle sensitive skin? Because I have like mild skin, so like stuff really, like, I don't really have bad skin to where like if I use stuff it's gonna break me out. Like I can try stuff and be okay. So we'll see how this works. Thank you once again for gifting this to me. My Clarins. I hope I said that right. It's always important to take off your makeup at night. Don't leave your makeup on. And that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching me get my fresh face of the night using this new product from my Clarins. Go ahead and check it out on their website. Everything will be linked below. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.